Okay, today I want to talk about something which I always mention about designing your life, designing your future. So what I want to talk about is the question that people ask me in response to that is, how the hell do you design your future? And what is designing your future? So let me explain that idea, concept a little bit further. The first thing is that we all have goals for the future. Yeah? And let's say that future meaning, let's say a long-term future, 25 years or 30 years down the line. Because that is a sufficiently vague future to illustrate the point that I'm trying to make. So you have a future goal, say, okay, or you have a future vision, if not necessarily a goal. Now there are two parts to this, two components to this. The future vision or the future goal that you have. One component is about the path, the actual steps that you're going to take in order to reach there. Yeah? Or rather, the actual steps that will be needed to be taken in order to reach there. And the second part is about who you need to become in order to take those steps to reach there. Yeah? I think these two go hand in hand. And the more interesting part is who you need to become, because that is something which you work on yourself and then you find automatically performing the steps that are required. Now, let's say that there's a vague vision that you have, a vague goal in the future, 30 years down the line, and you have started on this path. As you go along the path, you may notice different visions, different paths digressing, diverting. You may find different things which attract you. You may find that your own evolution, your own growth, takes you in different directions. So I would say that your vision for the future is constantly evolving, and that evolution by itself, the evolving vision by itself, you could say is a kind of designing my life. Yeah, and the interesting thing is that as long as you're on the path, you are designing your life. As long as you're on the path, you're creating yourself to be something, you're creating for something to happen in your life, to achieve your goals and to make yourself who you wish to be. I think that is designing your life. Let's take an example of this. Let's say what is commonly done. It's about retirement. Yeah. Don't look at me and think about retirement, but for a person, say, who is 30 years younger than me right now, and he looks at retirement or she looks at retirement, and she thinks to herself that I must plan my retirement financially. So that's one goal. And he plans it financially or she plans it financially. She reaches my age or he reaches my age, and she finds that, oh shit, I've got financial security, but I don't know what to do with my life. It's aimless, because one part of what she has left out is who she wants to be and how she wants to live her life after 30 years. She's planned for it financially. One part of it she has done. Her goals are met. Yeah. But what is she going to do with the money? What is she going to do with the time? That she has not planned. So that's one example I'd like to take. Another thing which I'd like to say is that whatever you're planning, it has to start today. Yeah, you can't leave actions for the future. If you want to make your future happen, your actions must start today. And whatever actions that you take have to be with respect to what you're planning for the future. Yeah. It's like you need to become something. Say, I need to become proficient at, say, something which people don't normally want, statistics. Okay. Then I must start looking, and why do I want to become proficient at statistics? I want to play the stock market, which I've never done. I want to try it out because I think I'll be good at it. So I want to learn statistics to understand how the stock market works, to understand how people's movement is about the stock, pricing and things like that. So I want to learn statistics, but I don't want to play the stock market right now. I don't have the money. So how will I plan for it? Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll get ready to play the stock market when I have the money. Let's say I'm going to have the money 10 years from now. So I'll start studying the stock market, I'll start studying statistics, I'll start doing numerous things in order to be able to play the stock market 10 years from now. Yeah. I think these examples are sufficient to really illustrate what I was talking about when I say designing your life.